Yeah, don't give up. That's what I would say. I've never gave up, even in huge drawdown. Yeah, losing money. Keep going. It's doable. If I can do it, everyone can do it. To get proper education, not everything on the internet is good education.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Funded Traders YouTube channel. In today's interview, we have Sam all the way from the United Kingdom. How you doing, man?
Hi, I'm good. Doing good. Thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man. How long have you been with TFT?
I've been with TFT. I've got the funded accounts running for 64 days. I've been getting in maybe a couple of weeks prior, so that will be around November. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Um,
I mean, you're right on track to hit the King's program. And how long have you been trading overall?
I've been on a rocky road. I've been trading now for 7 years and only profitable for 1 year.
Wow. So
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
one year, and by the end of the year, I hope you can recover maybe the losses you've had or get onto the path to sustain
think I will
all the
need,
losses.
yeah,
Yeah.
I will need some gains to make up for prior losses. You can imagine for six trading for seven, being profitable for one.
Yeah.
I'm still in drawdown, so to speak.
Yeah, so to speak, but the fact that you're finally here, the fact that you're finally funded, like you said, your next withdrawal is going to be over 30,000, you said?
Yeah,
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 so I mean, that's just another chunk, and soon you're just going to amount this like giant block of
yeah.
payouts.
It's
And
life changing, man. It's life changing for
yeah,
sure.
it's like the life raft, you're drowning, and then finally you reach up and grab the tube, and just it pulls
Yeah,
you
for
up.
sure.
And so
Exactly.
so 1 year, that's all. Even if you're in drawdown for 6 years, just like Sam, you can start to see results and get yourself out of this hole that you might be in. So congrats to you, man.
Yeah, yeah. Don't give up. That's what I would say. I've never gave up, even in huge drawdown. Yeah, losing money. Keep going. It's doable. If I can do it, everyone can do it. Yeah.
Yeah, so like what gave you this sense of like I can do it, or I'm not gonna give up? Like why were you so adamant that trading is possible in your view?
Yeah, to be honest, I have to say, after the sixth year, I was about to give up, but a lot of people are already doing it. So if there's people, meaning retail traders, are doing it, it can be done. So it's the key is to yeah, to resist the urge to give up and keep going. And if you keep going and there's no way to quit, then you'll make it for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because like
I
I
totally.
understand if like you don't know anyone personally, or like you only see people on the internet or whatever that are passing these challenges and withdrawing hundreds of thousands, but then when you try, you keep failing. Well,
Hmm.
that's what's cool about like these kind of interviews, where people get interviewed who are not some expert or not some like PhD in economics. It's just anyone can pick it up, and if you stay consistent with it, no matter how long of time passes, we can all achieve this goal of trading. So
Yeah, the rules of the platform helped a lot also because once you're 1 or 2% up for the day, which is already, yeah, a lot, just quit, close the screen, take some time off, and do it again tomorrow.
so when did you find out about prop firms specifically? You said like
Don't recall
later.
exact. Yeah, I don't recall exactly, but I've been with most of them. But there's something with TFT. It's like a lucky charm. I
Yeah.
don't know. Yeah, I don't know how to explain because the rules are the same or mostly the same. Yeah, the strategy is the same, but it's my lucky charm, so to say.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I mean, congrats to you, man.
yeah, I'm
That's
happy.
that's some good luck. So
For sure. Yeah, can't complain.
definitely. And do
Uh,
you know how many challenges you actually failed over time, or is it just like
I failed about, yeah, let's say 15 or so. 15. Yeah, in
yeah? Because
total.
I've heard of all kinds of ranges from like 3, 4 to like 30. So there's always just everyone's failed. I think at least one. Like I don't know of anyone who just I passed, I'm funded, I'm about to withdraw the max.
Yeah,
Everyone has to just go through the process. It's like it's not about just failing one. It's like the journey itself is like you fail one, you buy again, pass eventually, and then you can withdraw all your profits withdraw all your refunds, and finally be at the point where you're profitable, like you.
Yeah, for sure, very profitable. Once you stick to the process-based trading and thinking about what you and reacting to what you see, then you're good. If you start to think too much and have your subconscious play tricks on you, putting fantasies in your head about profit and loss, yeah, you're screwed. You're not process-based trading, but you're basically trading a fantasy. That's what I
Trading a
learned.
fantasy, trading emotion, when
Yeah,
you catch one trade and you're already dreaming of the yacht that you're on, that's a bit dangerous. We have to stay
50K
level.
holidays.
We have to stay level headed and just keep that consistency going.
Yeah, it's a lonely game, man. It's if you don't have a support system or like-minded people and you're trading alone, yeah, it's hard.
What's your goal with trading overall? Like, do you want to have a fully funded account?
How do you mean fully funded? Because I'm funded right now.
Yeah, but are you funded for the max amount, like for 600,000, and then other
No,
prop
I've
firms and stuff like that? Like, do you want to keep just expanding your
spending,
funding?
yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm at 400 now. Looking to get up to 2 million by the end of the year.
Yeah, because 400 here, you start scaling that up, you get some funding from others, and you have $2 million to trade with. Like, you don't have to
Yeah,
risk anything to make like a substantial amount. Like, it's so risk friendly. If you are able to reach that point, you just cut back your risk to a point where you can sustain yourself and still make really good profits. It's truly just a dream come true.
yeah, it's like a golden goose, maybe. I don't.
Golden
That's how you
cow.
say it.
Yeah. A
Yeah,
golden
yeah,
cow.
yeah, yeah, for sure.
Golden
Yeah,
goose lays golden eggs, golden anything. It's golden chicken, man. It's just you
yeah.
get the gold out. And didn't you say, are you a gold trader? Is that right?
Yeah, I do only gold in combination, of course, with the dollar index to get some basic direction. Yeah,
Yeah, so I mean, TFT is like your golden cow, golden cash cow. You trade only gold. And speaking
yeah,
of that, would you mind maybe sharing a few of your recent trades?
yeah, sure. Let me
All right,
share
let's
this.
hop on to TradingView.
This is one I took last week. I entered on the top of the support, took it off about halfway, waited again for the correction, the little dip, and then took it again. So
I
this
mean,
was
that's
yeah.
a perfect double entry, man.
Yeah, yeah, I nailed it. Yeah, but the key is if you trade one pair, for me at least, maybe you gotta sit on your hands a little bit more, but you have the clarity, the patience to jump in at the right time instead of being all over the place and trading 20 different pairs.
Yeah, that's interesting. I was gonna ask you actually, how do you stay patient to like avoid getting in early? But I guess trading one pair itself, like you have to really dial it in and wait for the good positions to come because gold is a monster. I mean, it moves up and down like almost every minute. So
The
trying to get
profit is
in at
big,
the right
but the
time.
loss, yeah,
Yeah,
the loss as well.
exactly. So
But the thing is, I've
what's your win rate like trading gold?
I'm about 70% win rate, between 60 and 70.
And your risk to reward
Um, yeah, I'm around one.
around
I
one?
could,
Yeah, so
yeah, I could do more. I know I could do more, but my average holding time is around, yeah, let's say 30 minutes to an hour.
yeah,
Yeah,
so do you usually
average.
what session do you usually trade?
It depends really. I have a business as well, so I do construction. I have a construction business. So yeah, it depends really on the type of work I have for the day. I prefer to trade New York open. Yeah, because you have the overlap between London and New York, which gives you the most volume and the
Yeah,
fastest.
most volatility, volumes, just it's perfect.
Yeah,
Usually almost all the like moves happen. The most important moves happen during that time. Like
yeah. London kind of sets it up for New York, and then New York takes it away. Yeah,
yeah, these past two, isn't that giant climb? Isn't that like FOMC, right? It was like the release of the news and then it just went all the way up to 1969 or 59 and
yeah,
just it started melting overall.
yeah. FOMC took it up. Rate decision, which is basically bullish for the dollar, but it still kept going up. So
Yeah,
I waited patient. Yeah,
and then NFP, then that was the end of that story.
yeah. That's violent, man. That was
It was
violent.
absolutely violent, seriously.
Yeah, I took it off too soon, but yeah, you know how it goes. You can never catch the whole move. I was happy
Yeah,
to.
exactly. So what's the best advice that you have for some new beginners?
Yeah, best advice I can give is the advice which took me from unprofitable to profitable. And let's say that would be take one or two trades a day, maybe three, depends a bit on the situation. But if you take one or two, yeah, it basically gets your mental capacity to the fullest. If you're taking 10 or 15 trades a day and you're looking at charts at 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., yeah, you're basically overdoing it. You don't need it. I just take 2 3 trades a day and then close off my day and enjoy life. It's how it should be.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
over trading doesn't mean you're going to, start magically catching the
No.
best positions. Usually over trading ends up in loss because over trading, over risking, your brain is just fried at that point.
Yeah.
You don't
Yeah.
even think out the process of your trades. You just, oh, I'm entering, I'm exiting, I'm entering, I'm exiting. And then
Yeah.
you look at your history and it's red. It's a red ocean.
Yeah. Yeah, you're drowning in red. Yeah, that's basically it because your brain is not capable of doing so much. Yeah, a day. It's impossible, physically impossible to trade all day.
And since you have been trading for over 7 years, what would you tell your former self, like when you were starting out trading, like to maybe give yourself a better head start or like reach your goals quicker?
Yeah, it's a difficult one because you have multiple paths to go on. You can have multiple kinds of journeys, I guess. So one what I would say myself would be, yeah, to get proper education. Not everything on the internet is good education. Yeah, it's not easy to find which ones are good and which ones are bad. But if it's too cheap, it's probably fake. Yeah. Yeah, you can have a multi-million-dollar skill and sell it for 100 euros, for example.
Yeah.
Impossible. Yeah, education, man, that's key. Yeah, that's key.
So who taught you how to trade then?
Yeah, I'm a bit autodidact. I don't know if that's a word in English, but basically means I learn myself. If you're trading for 7 years, you kind of get what works and what doesn't.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and trading one pairs, you get used to the movement, the feel of it.
So you've been
Like gold.
trading gold for 7 years.
No, no, no. Once I stick to gold, I started to get profitable because it moves fast. You don't need as
Yeah,
much time
exactly.
for the same movement. If you're trading Aussie, for example, yeah, it's very very slow. So just pick one pair you're good at. Yeah, but it takes a few years. I think 2 to 3 years would be a good time to be profitable or to make it. Yeah. If you go down the wrong path like I did with every strategy in the book, every mentor in the book, yeah, it'll take you 7 years. Yeah, for sure.
As far as your financial like goals, what would
Yeah.
financial freedom mean to you? Like, would you ever stop your business and just trade full time, or like, what's
I
your
thi-
max
yeah.
goal for trading?
I tend to do better when I work a lot. When I work a lot, my training is better. I've tried to make it, yeah, by only trading, but if you get into drawdown and it's your only source of income, you'll get crushed. Yeah, it is. So my goals, yeah, sky's the limit really. The thing I enjoy the most is to help loved ones, family, people in need. Yeah, that's what I get a good high from. Yeah, more than treating myself to help people is yeah, that's the goal.
Yeah, of course. I mean, helping others when you're well off, that feeling is unmatched because you're helping them and they can't repay you back. So it's
Yeah, they
always
don't
good
need
to.
to.
Yeah, and they don't need to. That's even better. Yeah. So would you
Yeah,
say that having a passive income, like, and then if you're like secure, that would kind of ease your mind and allow you to trade better?
yeah, it's true. If you can make yearly wage in 1 week, yeah, that kind of sets you off.
Well, yeah, I mean, you trade 1 or 2 weeks for the year and then just go live life. I mean, there's so much to do and explore.
Yeah, I can't even believe I made 30K in 1 week. Yeah, it's incredible.
That is pretty crazy. So
Yeah.
is there anywhere that you like want to trade from in the world? Like if you could just go anywhere and just trade there for a week, month, or even to live.
Yeah, I have some contacts in Dubai. I will probably be looking to open something over there. With kids, it's difficult to move, but at least you can have an address there or a business, and then yeah, trade from the sunny Dubai.
Yeah, sunny and like a mile in the sky.
Yeah, it would be nice. Yeah, sky's the limit, really. Yeah.
Sky's the limit, exactly. So you're gonna get one of those penthouse in the Burj Khalifa, and then you're gonna hit gold trades all the way from the top. So
Yeah, man, it's yeah, exciting, exciting. What a time to be alive.
yeah, truly. Yeah, it was a pleasure to meet you, Sam. I mean, I think this
Thanks.
went great. You're
Yeah,
clearly a exceptional trader. I mean, 30,000 in 1 week, 30,000 pending. You're
yeah.
set, man. So congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, so I hope I'll be seeing you around in the Discord. Make sure to post your profits, show the world that it's possible. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks a lot.
And with that being said, guys, that just wraps up this interview. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, your support in the comments, and of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's all for today. Peace out.